Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Claude AI support if you are having any kind of issues with your account. So first of all, come here on Claude.ai, then log in into your account. Then simply hover over to the top left hand corner, then just simply scroll down in the bottom and click on your name initials. Now over here, after clicking on it, among the given options, you will see the third option of get help. So as soon as you click on it, this type of chat box is going to be opened in front of you. So over here, you can either go through the Claude Academy FAQs, in which you are going to see a bunch of different articles and the tutorial videos. You can go through them in order to resolve your issue. But if you want to basically send them a message or you want to have a conversation with them, then simply click on the option of send a message. Now over here, you need to first of all click on the option of accept, and then you can just simply start giving the message over here. Now that's how basically you can contact to the Claude AI support. You can also ask this particular AI agent in order to basically make your meetings with a human. So you can ask it to do that if you want to talk to a human agent here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.